Welcome to Mr. Nelson's second YouTube video. So this second YouTube video is over dot plots and stem and leaf plots. Okay, so you might be familiar with dot plots, you might be familiar with stem and leaf plots, but this is just to refresh your memory off of last year. And if you don't know, now you will know. All right. So first and foremost, we have what is called a dot plot. Okay, what I need you to do is in your notes, I need you to put this dot plot. Okay, just make a line, put your numbers on it, put little dots, or you can do X's if you prefer. Okay, all right, so you've got a dot plot. In this case, on our dot plot, we have to be able to read what is on our dot plot. So here we've got 88 and 88. We've got 89 and 89. We've got 190. We've got 4 92s, 3 93s, 6 94s, and a 95 and a 97. So if I was to write out the data for this dot plot, I'd have 88, 88. We've got an 89. Another 89. We've got a 90. We've got a 92, a 92, a 92, a 92, because there were 4 of them. We've got a 93, a 93, a 93, because there were 3 of them. Then you've got a 94, a 94, a 94, a 94, a 94, a 94. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Then we had a 95 and a 97. So all of this data that we just wrote down goes with that dot plot. Okay? That's how you read a dot plot. Now, if you needed to, you could find the median, you could find the mode, you could find the range, you could find the mean. Okay? The mean would be the one that is the most difficult because there's so many numbers that you would have to add up. But the median, all you would have to do is tick off. Okay, so if I go back up to my dot plot, let me erase all this stuff. To find the median, just like when we had numbers, we would just tick it off. So, tick off 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. Well, what is my median going to be? 93, because even if I tick them off, I'm sitting at 93. So 93 was the median. Okay. Now if I wanted to find the one that was the mode, that's pretty nice on this one, because if I look at my data, which one happens the most? Well, 94 happens the most. Okay, so it was 93 for the median. The mode was 94. Now the last one that's pretty nice for you is the range. Well, my highest one was 97. My lowest one was 88. So you would take and you would say 97, my largest, minus the smallest, which was 88, and you'd get 9. So your range is 9. Now the median, I'm not going to do the median for you on this one, but all you would do is you would have to end up adding up all your numbers and then dividing by how many you had in your set. So you'd have to add up all of these numbers and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You'd have to add them all up and divide by 20 since there are 20 numbers in my set. Okay? All right, here is a stem and leaf plot. The stem and leaf plot, please write this stem and leaf plot in your notes. And then write down the list of numbers that come from the stem and leaf plot. It's got a nice little key for you to show you. The stem, in this case, is going to be your tens place. So we've got 30 and we've got 40. All right, now we look at our leaves. Our leaves are our one places. So we've got 32, we've got 34, we've got 34, we've got 35, we've got 36, we've got 38, and we've got 39. See the 32, 34, 34, 35, 36, 38, and 39, where that came from. Okay? Now we've got our 40s. There's 41, there's 43, and there's 46. So again, you can use your measures of central tendency or your mean, median, mode, and range. And when it's in a stem and leaf plot, it makes it a lot nicer for you because you can go, well, there's the highest is 46, my lowest is 32. Highest, next lowest, next highest, next lowest. Then we've got highest and lowest. And so it would be between 36 and 38. So we would have to do 36, 38. So if I'm finding the median, I'd have to add those together. Okay, add. And then we would divide by however many I had in my set. Well, in this set, to find this one, there's only 2 numbers. Okay. So 36 plus 38, well, there's 60, 70, 74. Okay, divide that by the 2 numbers that I added together. So 2 goes into 7 3 times. 1 left, 14, 37. So the median is 37. The one that happens the most, well, if I look here, well, 34 happens a lot. And that's the only one that happens the most. So the mode would be 34. And then the range is from 46 to 32. So you take 46 and subtract 32 from that to get your range. And in this case, your range is 14. Okay? If you wanted to find the mean, you could find the mean of a stem and leaf plot. You would just have to add up all these numbers and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You would have to add them up and divide by 10. All right, the very last thing that you need to do on your paper is you have room to make a dot plot for these numbers, and you have room to make a stem and leaf plot for these numbers. So, on your paper, please make a dot plot for the set in number 3, and make a stem and leaf plot for the set in number 4.